Here we've got a systems of equations. That's two different equations that we're going to solve together in order to find the x and y values that make it true. To solve by graphing, first we want to graph each individual line. Let's start with y equals 2/3 x minus 2. We've got a y-intercept or a b value of -2. That's going to be -1, -2. And then we've got a slope of 2/3. That's a rise of 2, 1, 2. A run of 3, 1, 2, 3. Now that we've got our 2 points, we can graph our line. And there we are. Next, let's take a look at this line. Y equals -x plus 3. Starting with our y-intercept of 3, that's 1, 2, 3. There we go. Now we've got our slope of -1 or -1/1. That's going to be a rise or a y value of down 1. And then a run of 1. We'll get our second point right there. And voila, there's our line. Now, the solution to a systems of equations is going to be the points where their graphs intersect. So we see this blue line intersects with the red line right at this point right here. That's a value of 3, 0. So we know that if we plugged in 3 for x and 0 for y, both of these equations can be true. So we get the point, our solution of 3, 0 for this system. Let's try another one. Here we've got y equals 2. Let's go ahead and graph that right here. That's going to be a horizontal line with going through the y point at y equals 2. Next, we've got this line, y equals 2x minus 6. So my y-intercept is at -6. And my rise over run, my slope is 2/1. That's going to be up 2/1 right there. And now we can draw on our next line, okay? All right, so according to this, whoa, wait a minute. All right, I didn't use my fancy line machine this time, and this is pretty sloppy. I might not know where this crosses, where these lines meet. This is our solution somewhere around here, but because my handwriting's not perfect, this might be off. So here's a tip for you if you're hand drawing these on your own. All right, first the horizontal line I think we can handle. That's a cross again right at y equals 2. Then our second line, we've got an intercept at -6. Our second point up 2/1. Now instead of drawing your line from there, because this is such a far distance away, let's find some more points by using our slope. So let's go from here up 2/1 once more, and we'll get another point there. Let's do that again, up 2/1, up 2/1. Now we can draw our line, even if it's sloppy. We know that we found so many points that the point where it's going to meet is right there. And that's going to be our solution at the point 4, 2. X equals 4, y equals 2. So if you're drawing these by hand, feel free to give yourself lots more points until both lines cross each other and you can find your solution.